So I seem to be having this issue where my laptop kept putting my Bluetooth mouse into some kind of sleep mode after I had not touched the mouse for 5 seconds. And I did not know what was going on. I contacted the mouse manufacturer and was trying to get support through them until I kind of tweaked my Google search a little bit and I found out the solution. You see, it's not moving. And now it's awake. You see the little loading icon that was there. So to fix this, all you do is go to Device Manager, find your Bluetooth, Properties, Power Management, and then this allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. And then boom. 5, 6, so I should be in sleep now. But no, it works.